Morristown ground number 540 Charlie Foxtrot is at the west tie down. We have uniform. We'd like the Newark transition for the Skyline route.
540 Charlie Foxtrot, Morristown. Good morning, runway 5, taxi via Bravo Alpha Echo Romeo. Ultra to Juliet, advise ready for departure.
That's taxi Bravo Alpha Echo Romeo holding short Juliet and will advise when ready for departure. That's 540 Charlie Foxtrot.
Squawk 0 Charlie Foxtrot, squawk 0317.
0317 540 Charlie Foxtrot. Morristown ground 540 Charlie Foxtrot is holding shorter Romeo. Our run-up is complete and we can taxi to the whole short line for 5.
0 Charlie Foxtrot, continue taxi via Romeo Delta and contact tower. Have a good flight.
Romeo and Delta, contact tower. Thank you, Charlie Foxtrot. Morristown Tower 540 Charlie Foxtrot is holding short runway 5 at Delta. Ready to take off.
November 540 Charlie Foxtrot, Morristown Tower, altimeter 2998, wind 0803. Runway 5, clear for takeoff, right downwind departure approved.
Clear for takeoff, right downwind departure approved. Altimeter 540 Charlie Foxtrot. Airspeed is alight. 30, 40, 50, 55, rotating.
November 3 Papa Tango, short approach approved, runway 5, clear touch and go, wind 0704. Charlie Foxtrot, start the eastbound turn. Proceed overhead the runway 4 numbers at 1,500, cleared into the class Bravo.
Cleared into the class Bravo, proceeding over the number 4, proceeding over the runway numbers 4, Charlie Foxtrot.
LaGuardia 42.
Newark 39, LaGuardia 2605.
Over to LaGuardia, Newark 39.
Proceed climbing to 1,000, squawk discreet. Your radar contact.
See that runway right up here?
I do, straight in front of us.
So that's runway 11 and 29. So we're going to go off to the right.
All right, the jets are right below me.
Quite a long line there too.
Yeah. There's Newark.
Yeah.
Newark Tower, Metro 26 back to the statue for Bravo tour.
Metro 26. That is all right.
Your controls whenever you're ready.
Yep, is that my controls?
Controls.
You happen to see, obviously there's a Freedom Tower there, and then in the river there's that little island. Let's watch here.
See Statue of Liberty right there?
Yeah, exactly.
And I think Governor's Island is past that?
Exactly.
All right, my controls when ready.
For controls?
My controls.
Cessna 97 Quebec for further flight following contact New York approach control on 128.8. They'll take you the rest of the way. Good day.
Tower Charlie Foxtrot is making our left turn up the Hudson.
Roger that.
You're good. You know,
All right, you're going to take controls now. Your controls.
My controls?
Your controls. I'm going to take pictures of
For context, we're at 1,500 feet right now. The top of the spear of the Freedom Tower, obviously just ahead, is
1776.
Very good.
I
Very
know
good.
that. Yeah. Right, my controls went ready.
Your controls.
My controls.
I'm expecting this to calm down as we turn here a little bit more, and even on the East River side, just because the winds are from like the northeast today. So we're
up to 644 Papa Charlie with Victor off Linden, 300 for 5, request southeast of the bridge and check out at the piers.
the winds are coming through those buildings and creating a little bit more turbulence here.
Radar contact, you're cleared in outer below 800 as requested. Traffic over the Bayonne Bridge there is that previous helicopter still at 500, cleared into the Bravo.
If you look down your bottom left here, there's one of those vent stacks for the hollow.
I see it. LaGuardia 12605 and let them know of your request.
12605, Charlie Foxtrot. LaGuardia Tower 540 Charlie Foxtrot is up the Hudson at 1400, and we'd like the Central Park transition.
0 Charlie Foxtrot after Central Park, do you want to do East River southbound?
East River southbound, roger, Charlie Foxtrot.
0 Foxtrot, Charlie Foxtrot, approved as requested. Traffic at BMU over the East River right now. There's a helicopter at 2000, he'll be hanging around at the Central Park.
Roger, looking for traffic, and yeah, we'll let you know when we find them, Charlie Foxtrot.
Now 52 traffic, BMU over the Hudson River.
Yeah, come back over a little more to the right.
Gonna cut across the park to East River.
Some traffic coming southbound. They're 500 feet below, but...
Did say something at 2,000, hanging around at 2,000?
Yep, I got an insight here. They're over Central Park, but it looks like they're just hovering there.
All right, we're right over the Intrepid, is it? The big cruise
yeah, the Intrepid is
thingy?
right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the warship here is. I've got the helicopter in sight.
All right, we done let him know, and we're good.
Yeah, we can let him know. So traffic in sight, 0 Charlie Fox.
Helicopter traffic is in sight, 540 Charlie Foxtrot.
Right.
This is to the left of that tiny spire building, right?
Left of it, the tiny.
The slim.
From your perspective, from my perspective, it's still to the right.
Okay. No, you want me to be to the right? Now I'll be to the right because the tall buildings are gone.
Did he say proceed as requested? I don't.
Can you double check with him?
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
And LaGuardia just confirming 540 Charlie Foxtrot, turn over the park is approved.
Okay, from that's approved. 0 Charlie Foxtrot, maintain visual separate with the helicopter.
All right, Roger, that's approved. We'll maintain visual separation, 0 Charlie Foxtrot, thank you. So this is Central Park here, so once you get about halfway, I'd start that turn.
All right. 52 kilo, descend.
My turn.
Please see change.
Very good.
Roger, appreciate you today. We'll see you at 2 Kilo.
They ordinarily climb us. I'm assuming they're waiting for that that helicopter. There it is.
See the helicopter?
Yep, just off our nose here.
Climb across the park, landing, Teterboro.
What's that again?
Helicopter 11759, 600 for across the park, Teterboro.
This is the East River below us?
This is the East River below us. Yes, we're going to make this right turn towards, that way.
Am I getting up to the bridge and then making the turn?
I like to lead it just a little bit. Give yourself a little bit.
Traffic 59, helicopter at the cloud
Yeah.
for 1.5.
This way we're not overflying as many of these buildings, but...
0 Charlie Fox.
Say again, 0 Charlie Fox.
0 Charlie Fox, traffic over the 59 bridge, helicopter at 900, climb for 1.5.
Roger, we're looking, 0 Charlie Fox.
117 traffic just to your left there, fixed wing 1.5.
Got him.
I got him.
Visual on him.
I got him.
Yeah, start this turn.
117, clear to pass out. We'll maintain visual set with the fixed wing and additional helicopter traffic over to Central Park at 2000.
We got him in San
Are we hugging the right?
260, San Susie,
yes.
Pass Park, please change route, see you later.
260.
952, traffic north tip westbound.
I think we are over the United Nations now.
Exactly, just up ahead. Yeah, right here.
Yeah. Oh boy.
117, we cleared in.
Watch your altitude.
117, you're clear and approved as requested.
Very good.
Roger.
And we are coming back at to the intersection. That's Governor's Island again.
Exactly. You see the traffic landing LaGuardia?
Yeah. I will expect he's going to switch me back to Newark Tower, maybe?
Yeah, as we probably get closer to the Manhattan or Brooklyn bridges, they'll probably give us the handoff.
0 Charlie Foxtrot, contact Newark Tower, correction, climb maintain 2000, and then contact Newark Tower 2785.
Climb maintain 2000. Can you give me the frequency again, Charlie Foxtrot?
127.85.
12785, Charlie Foxtrot.
Newark Tower, Skyhawk 540, Charlie Foxtrot 1,800, climbing 2,000, looking to transition overhead again, then to Solberg.
540 Charlie Foxtrot, you're going to Solberg Airport, is that correct? November 51?
That's affirmative, 0 Charlie Foxtrot.
0 Charlie Foxtrot, approved as requested, overhead fly the southern side of the airport, the 4 numbers at 2,000, and the current altimeter here in Newark is 29907.
All right, we'll fly over the 04 numbers, 29907, 540 Charlie Foxtrot, we're at 2,000, that okay?
Newark 952, back at 2000 on the Yankee tour.
Sorry, 952.
I'm just cutting straight across?
Yeah, so you see just a little bit more towards, you can go direct to the numbers here, so a little bit more to the right. But. The airport right over here?
I do.
Okay, very good. Yeah, so we're just going over.
See runway taking off? See traffic taking out?
Yeah. We're just going towards the southern side of the airport.
Okay, same numbers as before?
Exactly.
Okay. If they took off there, then I'm going to say, then I'm over here. All right, bye-bye, Statue of Liberty.
0 Charlie Foxtrot, traffic to look for is a yellow Airbus, 5 miles following runway 4 right, leaving 1,900.
Inside 0 Charlie Foxtrot.
0 Charlie Foxtrot, maintain visual separation, and once you're west of the airport, about what, a 270 heading for your destination?
That's affirmative, 0 Charlie Foxtrot.
0 Charlie Foxtrot, maintain visual with the Airbus, and then once you're west of the field, descend and maintain 1,500 and on course.
Roger, once west, we'll descend, maintain 1,500 on course for 0 Charlie Foxtrot. Thank you. You could probably make this Foxtrot here if you can.
Scott 540 Charlie Foxtrot, contact ground, have a good day.
Contact ground, Charlie Foxtrot. Thank you.